Hi guys, here we are with our latest Copart buy, a little Fiat 500S. Now we bought this as a category N, very light damage. It's only had a cracked front bumper, bent the bonnet a little bit, and was listed as a non-runner. Now, as you can see, it's super clean, super straight, but as a non-runner put a lot of people off, and having looked at it, looks like a few people had to go in the Copart yard. Fuse tray was open, and when we went inside, the OBD port was popped open. Somebody been having a play, obviously that's ours in there now. And we were getting absolutely nothing on the dash at all. You see here, go to start it, I get nothing. Absolutely dead. So obviously, like I said, it's put a lot of buyers off, and we took a punt on it. So having a look around, we got the old multimeter out, tested various different things, but then spotted this fuse here. It's in the wrong place. That's the ignition fuse. Luckily we've got another Fiat 500 to check this against. If I simply do this and swap that over, let's have another go. Now as you can see, we've got lights and a running, starting, driving Fiat 500. I think we just stole this one. We can only assume that the car, when it had an accident, someone decided that because the bonnet's a little bent up, they didn't want someone trying to steal the car, so switched that fuse around. That one fuse was the thing that had no one bidding on this car. What a result. So you can steal cars from Copart. You see, this car is as straight as they come. It's absolutely immaculate. Inside, got a beautiful interior. So all we're going to do, we've got to get a new bumper on it, new bonnet on it, a couple of headlamps, and she's up for sale.